So in this video, I'm going to discuss the data structure fan problem which occurred in today's CODEFORCES challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. So the problem statement is very simple. So initially there were many test cases, but I am just taking only one test case in this case. So that is, you're given n, the array, and a string, and there will be a number of queries for which, like, if the query is, if the first element of the query is 1, so it will be given two numbers, that is L and R. That is all the for this string, the this is a binary string, so the 1 will be written as 0 and 0 will be written as 1 for L to R. Okay, and for if it is given as 2, then you have to find out the XOR of all the elements for which the string is having this, that is 1 or 0. Okay, so like, let me give you like a better would be like for this. So this is a query, so for this you're going to output something, so that is 3, because see for z, so okay, so actually I won't explain this why this is 3. I will be rather explaining that why this is coming as 2, because see for 1, so 1 is present only at one position, that is for this, that is 2. Okay, so if you find the XOR of 1, 3, 4, 5, so the answer will be 3. So this is why this is 3. And for this 1 from 2 to 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So these three elements, sorry, 2 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these three elements will be reversed, so now the string will be looking like 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, now check, that is for 2, 0, that is 1, 2 and 5. So what is the XOR of 1 to 5? It is 6, I guess, and the XOR of 3 and 4 is 7, I guess. Okay, now again we are going to change the values of 1 to 1, okay, sorry, 1 to 3, so that is 1, 2, 3, so that becomes 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so now for the positions at 1, that is 1, 2 and 4, so the XOR of 1, 2 and 4 is 7. So I hope like this is very much clear what is happening over here. So the basic approach is you have to optimize the code. Okay, you have to optimize. The understanding of the problem was not the main thing, so optimization is the most important thing. So what you can do is, you can already store a array consisting of the XOR of the first I elements. So this is 1, this is 1 XOR 2, this is 1 XOR 2 XOR 3, 1 XOR 2 XOR 3 XOR 4, and over here 1 XOR 2 XOR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the XOR of first 5 elements. So since we have done with this, so you have to, at the beginning you have to find XOR of 0 and XOR of 1. Okay, that is, XOR of 0 is the XOR of all the elements where the string is having a 0 value. So you're like, this is something and this is going to be something. Okay, so remember one thing, that whenever we are applying this alternating thing, this one thing, okay, so this one thing, you're basically changing all the values at that position from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. That is, the values which were already 1 is going to become 0, and which were already 0 is going to be going to be 1, right? So we have to remove the zeros from XOR of 0 and add it to XOR of 1, and remove the ones from XOR of 1 and add it to XOR of 0. So what it basically is you have to XOR this. So what you have to do, that is, I hope this is clear, that whenever 2 is occurring, so if it is 2 and 0, so you have to print XOR of 0, and if it's 2 and 1, then you have to print this. Now what if it is 1 LR? So you have to find out the XOR of all the elements in the range L to R. How you are going to find it out? XOR of L minus 1, XOR of R, right? So that is the that is the XOR of all the elements from L to R. Okay, so once you have found out this, so you have to XOR this to both the values. Okay, why you're going to XOR it? So let's say initially the string was 0, 0, 0, 1. Now after changing it, it becomes 1, 0, 0, sorry, 1, 1, 1, 0, right? So for this one thing, for this 1, so what is 1 going to be? you're going to take out this element from here and add all the remaining elements, right? So if I XOR all of them, so that is going to be a satisfaction, that is going to satisfy the condition. So I hope, like, this is a little bit of complex mathematics, but if you get it, so it's easy. Okay, so this is how you have to code it. So I think it is clear, that is, whenever it's one LR, so you have to XOR this with this and this with this, and if it is 2 and 0, you have to print XOR of 0, and if it's 2 and 1, you have to print XOR of 1. Okay, so this is basically the code. That's it from my side. Thank you.